Just a quick video on what's going on here for the KLS. In other words, just the manual on off boiler pump, which is sort of a 2 litre an hour 20 bar pump. Those are all the maximums. Obviously we've got our stroke knob, so we can speed it up, slow it down. But one thing that's interesting is this little selector here. Watch, if I press and hold this and then let go, it'll change to 5. So now what it's done is it's dosing predominantly at half the speed of whatever this was. So again, if I press and hold it, let go, it'll go to the 1, and see how it's going faster. So in a nutshell, what are we doing here? If you're overdosing at this point, you go, hey, I'm putting way too much in than I want. I want to put less than that. Then press and hold this, let go, goes to the 5. And notice now it does half the speed of wherever the stroke knob is at. Oh, the speed knob, sorry, wherever the speed knob is at. So I'll put it up to the top of these just for time frames. There you go. And if I press and hold again, it goes back to 1. And away we go. That's how you use the select button on the AKS Seko pump.